So, yesterday I kinda wheelied a little bit too far, and I slammed on the brakes, and I went down, and then my tire like dug in like that, where it's supposed to be like that, and then it fell. So so what I'm thinking is the spark plug got hit, like something shifted in there. The spark plug got ruined or something, because I went down right there. So I think it's just that, but we're gonna change the spark plug, and if that doesn't work, we're gonna do a carb clean. We're also gonna do an oil change just to get in tip-top shape. As most of you probably know, here's the spark plug right here, and I'm gonna just pop the little thing off here, and then get a little ratchet here. So this is not the special spark plug removal wrench, whatever the heck. It's just a normal, what is it? I don't even know. 5/8 wrench here. It's pretty easy to get off, but they're not supposed to be tight. So this is the old one, by the way. Also, it could be. It honestly could be. But there is the old one. Not the greatest looking. It's seen way better days. I know you could just like clean it off, like put some carb cleaner or whatever on it and wipe it off with a towel. But it's better just to get a new one. There is the product label right there. This is a Yamaha TTRL 125 2005. So I think it's just a 125. Like, it's not an LE or anything. It's just 125. Anyway, here's the new one, and here's the comparison. I wanted to do this. Yeah, the new one's a lot better than the old one. Or it is the right spark plug. If it's the wrong spark plug, then we got a problem. But it should be the right spark plug, because I don't know why it would be the wrong one. It's the same exact label as the other one, so tighten this up. Not too tight, but tight enough where it won't like fall out or anything. Right there. That should be plenty good right there. If I can double check it. I know there's like a proper way to do it, but I might need to double check on that if it doesn't start. But it should be fine like that. And then you pop the cover thing back on. We'll see if she starts up. Start her up. Oh yeah. I think it's tightened almost perfectly. I don't really take this as an instruction video, but yeah, just go watch another video if you really are changing a spark plug. So yeah, after we changed the spark plug, it fired right up. I guess that was the problem, but yeah, I don't know. Quit.
I just watched. I was like, loosen a bolt and you almost fell in the oil.
Yeah. Dang, that's pretty good.
Oh yeah, I was supposed to run.
What times?
What?
I was supposed to run this for a little bit.
Yeah, you were. That's not. That's not true.
Alright, now it's time for my favorite part of the whole video, and that is my favorite pictures of the week so far. So this first picture is of a dairy farm, and obviously them just eating the feed or the silage, and yeah, I just think it's a pretty nice picture. Finally, this third picture is just of my brother's pickup, and I think it's just a really, really nice pickup because it's an older pickup, and I really like those, especially since it's a Chevy. If you haven't picked up on that, I like Chevy, but you can have your own opinions, but yeah. But if you want to get entered in a huge giveaway that's going on now, go buy a shirt in the description, and then you can get a chance to get the money you bought with that shirt completely off. So you get the money back, plus a free Claypool Farms hat, which is an amazing deal. So buy a shirt right now and get entered to win the giveaway. So if you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure to consider watching the video on your screen, especially if you want to watch a bike get absolutely obliterated in 10 minutes.